If you're not showing HVAC and plumbing companies this exact AI demo, you are leaving 5-figure retainers on the table. Watch me build one from scratch right now. Hey, it's Dar. If you're running an AI SaaS agency or you're trying to land your first client, home services is the easiest money on the table right now. Missed calls, no follow-up, slow quotes. It's all pain that these owners already know they have. So instead of pitching them a slide deck, I'm going to run my AI DemoDrop system on a real HVAC company's website live and show you exactly what the prospect sees when we send this to them. Here's how this works. I'm going to feed this HVAC company's actual website into the DemoDrop system. It scrapes the site, builds a mini knowledge base of it, and spits out on a simulated version of their own website with an AI chat and an AI voice widget sitting right there on it. So when the owner opens the link, they're not watching a video from me. They're talking to an AI agent that already knows their business, their services, their pricing, and answers questions like it's been working there for years. Watch what happens when I start asking it some of the same questions a real lead would ask it. All right, here we have a website. I just typed in heating and air conditioning near me, and this came up, edmondair.com. Looks like they've got a site where, they've got it SEO optimized and a few things like that, but what they don't have is a web chat widget on their site. And so we put them in the system as a real website, a fake name, right? My name is a fake name and a fake email address, but I have the real business and the real business website. So they would see what it's like when I send this to them. But I'm just going to do a demonstration now for you on YouTube. The system has identified that there's no chat on their website. You see it, no chat here. And what that does is puts them in the opportunity pipeline. If we look here, sure enough, there is the DAR test for Edmond Air. We're going to call after hours to see if they have after hours answering. And turns out they don't have after hours answering. They've got someone on call, but it goes to voicemail. So no after hours answering. And that is kept up here in the contact. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to call during the day, but they don't answer because they're busy. They're out on calls. So we're going to call on the second day after that, and they answer, and we're going to go through the script that I've already shared with you. Hey, we've identified your missing leads that are actively looking for you. We built an AI agent, an AI front office that engages with every lead so you never miss another lead again, and they don't go to your competitors. I'm going to send it over to you. What's the best email to send it to you? And they tell the email, they give it to me. And so, okay, so I send it. I just drag this to send AI mockup. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the contact card. And as you can see, everything has been kept up with in our CRM inside of HighLevel. Of course, my business, Biz Dominance. And just like that, it is already sent. I didn't even get to read each of these off to you, but all those stages it kept up with, and it sent the AI demo. Now, here's a hack. Because this sends so quickly, in the past, you'd say, yeah, I've built it, I'm going to send it. And they say, yeah, send it. And you're like, okay, I'm going to call you back tomorrow to see if you got it, and what you thought of it. And then you would go build it real quick. You would build it, you would bring it back here, and you would put it inside the demo funnel and send it to them. But now that all of it is automated, literally while you're on the phone with them, you're like, okay, yeah, I just sent it, right? You tell them, hey, I've already built it for you. I'm going to send it. What's the email? They give you the email. Then you're like, okay, I just sent it. Check your email. Sometimes it goes to spam. Check it. I want to make sure you got it because this is going to blow your mind. It is the coolest thing you'll have seen for your business. Heck, not just this week, maybe this entire year. So click it and check it out. Just click that first line, view your personalized AI custom employee demo. They're going to click it and it's going to open up branded to our business, right? Here's our business right here. And then here's their business. They can see their website and their AI agent right here. We're going to have a simulated call with it right now, the way a prospect would have this call with their own business and have their mind open to what AI agents can do for them. Let's do voice.
Hi, thanks for calling Edmond Air. My name is Emma. How can I help you?
Emma, our air conditioner has shut off. It is blazing hot outside with this heat wave. I think it was 104 yesterday. It hasn't come on yet at all today. I need some help.
That sounds really uncomfortable, especially with this heat. Let's get things moving for you. Can I get your last name and the best phone number to reach you?
Holdsworth.
Thanks, Holdsworth. Could you please spell your last name for me just to make sure I have it right? And what's the best phone number for a team member to reach you?
The last name is spelled HOLDSWORTH. And my first name, if you want it, is Dar. That's DAR.
Got it, Dar, HOLDSWORTH. Thanks for spelling that out. What's the best phone number to reach you?
405-990-8979.
All right, just to confirm, your number is 405-990-8979. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks, Dar. I've got your name as Dar Holdsworth and your number as 405-990-8979. What's your street address and city so our team knows where to follow up?
I'm at 123 Main Street in Edmond.
Thanks, Dar. So that's 123 Main Street in Edmond. What's a good date and time that works for you in the next day or two for a team member to follow up?
Oh, I can't wait 2 days. I've got to have it ASAP. I mean, we are in an emergency situation here. We are melting.
I hear you, Dar. That sounds miserable. With this heat, it's definitely a priority. Our team will treat this as urgent and reach out as soon as possible to confirm the earliest available time. Is there anything else you want to share about the issue, like any noises or smells? Or has it just stopped completely?
It's just stopped completely.
Thanks for letting me know, Dar. I've got all your details and marked this as urgent. A team member will reach out as soon as possible to help get your air conditioning back up and running. Is there anything else you'd like to ask while I have you?
Actually, there is. While I've got you, I think I saw on your website that you do plumbing. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Edmond Air handles plumbing too, including repairs, installations, drain cleaning, water heaters, and more. Are you having a plumbing issue or just curious about services?
I've got a toilet that just keeps running, and my wife is nagging me about it. The water just keeps running. Could I have someone look at that too?
Absolutely, Dar. We can have a technician check out your running toilet during the same visit. I'll add that to your request so the team is prepared. Anything else around the house you'd like them to look at?
No, I appreciate it.
Thanks for reaching out, Dar. Our team will follow up soon about your air conditioning and plumbing issues. Have a great evening and stay cool.
And there you go. Again, is a website doing that? There's a lot of words on here, but when I have an issue, my air conditioner is out, my toilet is running, I want to talk to someone. There's just a better feeling about that than look at all these words. What do we do? Right here, I got to search through all this. Yeah, I can call, but there's no one who actually answers after hours. So another example of a great use case of an AI employee. We can also chat with it as well. Let's go to live chat really quick. Now, the cool thing about the live chat is while this system is having a live chat, it also registers inside of HighLevel. So you can see the conversation that the prospect is having with your demo. Right? Just show you right there. It just popped up. Here's a conversation. Oh no, Dar, that sounds uncomfortable. Let's get you some help. Could you please confirm your last name? Right? So it says, hey, Dar, I'm Emma with Edmond Air. How can I help you? I said, my AC needs looked at. It has stopped working. Oh no, Dar, that sounds uncomfortable. Let's get you some help. Could I please confirm your last name? Right? So again, whether it's voice or conversational live chat, the AI demo does it. And it was built automatically in 10 seconds or less. That's the epiphany moment. That's when the owner realizes their real website has never done that. Their phone answering system has never done that. And every lead who didn't get answered like that probably went to a competitor instead. If you're prospecting for HVAC companies, home service companies, the message is simple. Hey, we noticed that you are missing leads who are actively looking to spend money with you and being ghosted. And they move on to your competitors. So we built you an AI front office that engages with every one of them, answers all their questions, and books calls for you. Is there any reason why you wouldn't want to see it? It's just that simple. Hey, if you want the DemoDrop system that builds this for you in minutes, it's only a couple $1,000s on my website. But I tell you what, I give it away free to my HighLevel agency and pro affiliates. And you can start your 30-day free trial of HighLevel with my link down below. Drop home services in the comments if you're already targeting this niche. I would love to know. And if you're not, what is the niche that you're targeting or you want to go after? If you want to see another example of an AI demo for a different niche, drop it below. I'll make one and I'll publish it. Hey, and if this has been helpful or interesting or you liked it, give it a like. I would really appreciate it. Share it with someone who you think would think it's cool and subscribe to the channel because, you're going to want to be notified the next time I drop a video. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. We'll see you.